In this video, we're going to talk about a watershed. What is a watershed? Kids obviously are not real familiar with that term. One thing that you're going to get is, and I have printed these off too to a page, you can do this however you want to do, but you're going to get an ebook of probes. And if you haven't looked at probes yet, they're a great way to introduce a lesson. And this is an earth science probe, and the question is, what is a watershed? And it has 5 kids that are talking about what they think a watershed is. This takes no discussion at all. Give the kids a page, let them answer the questions. After they answer the questions, there are different ways to go about it. One really fun thing to do is have them trade with somebody else, because they're being asked who they agree with on here. So have them trade papers and maybe trade again, and maybe trade again. Hey, gets kids up and moving, gets them intermingling with each other, and have them not put their name on it. And then have them stand in different sections of the room and share what is written on the paper. They're not sharing their answers, so they're more inclined to share what's there. This book is great. It gives you a ton of pages for kids to answer, and it also explains some misinformation that kids might have, and tells you what the right answers are. So it's a great resource to have. That is an ebook that you will be getting. You also are going to get this book, A Drop Around the World, and it is about a drop around the world. And it's about water and why water is so important and how it travels and what it does around the world. So you will get that book. You also are going to get a very cool thing, a groundwater table. This can be used in several ways. This is all the instructions. It's pretty easy to put together. A pump comes with it. It goes on the side. And then it shows you exactly how to hook up all these pieces, and they'll hook up to the pump. And then you're going to fill it with water and put blue and red food coloring in it. And then you can watch it as it goes around the tray. And the tray looks like this. So it has a reservoir, and it has rivers, and it shows how pollution particularly can travel and change. So that's why you have 2 different colors, and you can see where the red goes, where the blue goes, and where the purple ends up. Some cool things that come with this is on the back it comes with some pages that you put underneath, and it tells you how to use these pages. And you put them underneath, and they can watch how the water moves on it and see what it represents when you put this underneath. Another thing to do, you could use this on an overhead, if you have any of those anymore, but it's much easier to do on a table, probably as a demonstration. If you have a dot camera, that would be a great thing to put over it so that the kids could see everything without being crowded around the table. So this is your groundwater table, and it's a pretty cool thing to set up, and the kids are very intrigued watching this.